Hey friends, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hope you guys are blessed. Bringing in this new year. Goodbye 2024 and hello 2025. Y'all, I really do hope that this year is quite different from last year because last year was a struggle. Okay, I am so happy that we've all made it through and we have nothing but God to thank for getting us through 2024. So I have a new unit for the new year, and this one does come from Unice, and you can find them on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. Y'all, I'm on this straight hair kick right now, so y'all please forgive me. Straight hair is typically my go-to during the winter time, and if I'm not wearing my own natural hair silk press, you best believe I might have on a protective style via a straight lace wig, and that is the reason why I picked up this one for you guys. So now this wig does have that 7x5" high definition lace. You have tons of parting space with this unit and it looks super natural. The knots are already pre-bleached, the perimeter of the hairline is already pre-plucked, you have the pre-cut lace. This unit is pretty much ready to go, 100% glueless. It also has that drawstring detail in the back so you guys can get a nice custom fit. Now my unit is 24 inches long. It is 150 density, and you guys just look at that sheen and that movement, that body, like, oh my goodness. Y'all forgive my voice. I am battling a cold. This isn't a regular cold. I don't know what this is. It's not COVID. I don't know what this is, but I am battling it and I'm doing much better than I was before. But you guys just bear with me. My nose is stuffed. My throat hurts. Like, I got a headache. So just bear with me as I get through this video. But I'm taking this bottle of airbrush legs and I'm using this as like a lace tint just because I need to get rid of it. I'm applying that all over the lace just to where I get a nice blendable color that will match my skin tone. And I'm going to go ahead and throw on a stocking cap and let's get this wig on and see what we're working with. Play it right now. Play it right now. Just to hold you. Yeah, play. Yeah, play. Yeah, Alright friends, so this is what this hair is looking like right now. Y'all can see that body and that movement. Like, this hair looks so healthy. I am like so pleased with it. Like, y'all, Unice have definitely come a long way. Y'all don't ever sleep on Unice. I know that there's some chitter chatter behind them, but y'all, the hair is absolutely stunning. Like, literally I'll be like rubbing my fingers through it, no tangling, no shedding at all. Y'all don't see anything on my fingers, and I'm not just gently touching it, I'm like literally raking my fingers through it and I'm getting absolutely nothing. Now I like this unit simply due to the fact that it is something that I can just throw on and go. Like, especially if you're out there and you're pressed for time, definitely get a unit like this because it doesn't require much work at all. If you're a beginner, this unit is all the way together. I mean, you might want to like lay the perimeter down just to your liking. However, you don't even have to do that. Like, literally you can just put this unit on and go. So this unit is 24 inches long. It hits about my lower waist area. I'm 5'9". Now notice the scalp on this unit looks so realistic. The knots are bleached. They give you a decent amount of parting space, and you can definitely part this unit anywhere on that 7x5" high definition lace. You guys can see exactly how natural it looks. It's giving scalp. Like, it's giving I grew this out on my scalp myself. Now, I didn't use any glues, any adhesives, tape, gels, or anything like that, and you guys can see how this just melts right into my skin. I mean, of course, you are going to perhaps use like a foundation or like a lace tint, but for the most part, it just melts right into the skin effortlessly. But once again, you guys do check out Unice. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. If you guys are interested in this unit, definitely take advantage. They do have a 10% off coupon that you can apply directly on Amazon to save money on your purchase. You guys, this is going to be my go-to during this winter slash springtime. I'm definitely going to be wearing this Yaki straight unit, and of course, y'all know me. I wouldn't be me if I didn't give you guys a couple of different little styles here and there. I'm just doing this one with a little clip. Just going to roll that up into like a French bun and then clip it with my little gold clip. If you guys are interested in anything that I'm using throughout this video, I will be sure to leave it below. But I'm just giving you guys a really quick, effortless style, just in case you guys are in a rush, you're going to the gym, you're going to church, you're going to work, whatever. You can definitely do so many different things with this unit. But once again, you guys do check out Unice on Amazon Prime. All the links will be located down below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Happy New Year. Love you guys.